To the Webkinz cookie show. I'm Minty and I'm Sandy. And now we're gonna be cooking this. We're cooking some cookies here. As you can see, it's kind of messy, so get out of the way here. Okay.
You did really well.
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough mixing. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No.
Why? Because you're so thirsty from that shower?
Okay, now before we do the other mixes, just look at here. I'm using a pen except my pumpkin too because Amy, well, not the Settler. Amy right there took my tail, and now I can feel the little kids golden. Don't cry in the video. Oh, sorry.
What?
Anyways.
Yes. How many?
Okay.
Oh, red Oreos is what you said. I thought you said.
Is that enough mixing? Is that enough mixing?
I don't know.
Okay. As you can see, we spilled some right here. Yeah, that's our helper. That will be our helper.
Add 1 large egg.
Okay. You have to add a large egg. We haven't put that out yet, so we're going to be getting at. Oh, this is so cold in here. Who put this in the freezer? Okay. That will be getting our eggs, actually. Okay. Let's get back to here. I want to taste it. You can't. Not until it's cooked. Oh, oopsie. Oopsie, I ate some. Ugh. Okay, now let's cook. Oh, eggs. I hate eggs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's going so well. Yeah, but we are not going to use all the ones that hate to be doing grill. But we are doing grill, so we'll have our own cookies. Well, not own.
I'll do it.
Oh, thank you. I'll help you, Mom. Our mom is helping here. But we'll just wait. Sorry. I really want to taste these. Let's taste it. Mmm.
It's not mixing. Amy, what are you eating?
Tastes so good. I know, right? I'm gonna try another. Oh, that's butter. I hate butter. Wait, I love butter. Tastes a little cheesy. I like cheese. And as you can see, I think we're almost done mixing. I don't know.
Okay, I can't do it with you by saying.
Sorry.
Okay.
Please hold. So many hours later, we can't, the camera guy had so long waiting and he quit. Well, he didn't really quit, you know, guys. Okay, why are you getting the rest of water? Don't mind the water. Let's drink. That tastes so good. That smell. Okay. Okay, are you done, lady? It's gonna take us more longer. We'll see you on part two. Okay, now that we got some mix there, we're gonna pour some, but my hands are kind of messy
I had nothing
here.
but everybody complaining at me all day. I can't handle it anymore.
No, I'm just gonna get one of these. It's hard to get from here. Okay. Okay, we got a new blender also there. Got a blender. Okay, we got it. That's okay. So let's get the pan. Let's get a pan, okay? We're gonna go get a pan. We're not gonna make a cupcake pan. We're not gonna get like cupcake cookies or like muffins. We're not making muffins today. We are making okay, we are making. Okay, today we are making cookies. Yeah, chocolate chip cookies. Now let's get the mix in there. Let's get the stuff in there. Sandy, since you're there, please put the things in there. Okay, there's something right on there, right? Well, thanks, helper. But how do I get down here? Oh well. Just gonna have to use the soap. Okay, we're getting the cookies on there. As you can see, there's some mix there. You can't use your hands, as you can see, because it's kind of cool. Wait, let me see how many minutes we have to cook it. I don't know. Let's see. 10 to 12 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to bake it to 10 to 12 minutes. Wait. Let me check. Okay, I don't know if we could do that, but okay. So, there's our first batch. But we're gonna get some more cookies, okay? We're gonna get the pan again. We're gonna get another pan to get the rest of the cookies. Or I don't know what to do with the rest of the cookies. I don't know what to do with the rest.
Just wait till the pan's available. Here.
Okay, I guess that was early. It's not a nightmare here. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. I'm sorry. My whatever is not doing that much well. Well, at least we could get more. Wait, no, that's just white ice cream. Did you just get on birthday ice cream? Yeah. Now we're gonna have to wait. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for about a few minutes. Anyways, we'll see you on part 3. Okay, so the cookies are ready. So now we're going to be opening them. I don't know how to. It's too hot. You can't go there. I will not be cooked. Oh. Somebody's getting them. Good. Yeah, good. Because I don't want to be cooked. Whoa. That was weird. Anyways, there you go. There's your cookies. So, thank you. Mwah!